The big day is coming and your restaurant website still isn't published. Don't panic. We're going to launch your own food or restaurant website in just a few minutes. All you have to do is follow along. Hi, my name is Dan and I've been building websites for over 15 years. And today I'm going to show you how to save hours, even days of effort building a stunning food website that you can launch in minutes. I'll also give you a code at the end of this video to get 10% off at Zarla, the website builder we're using to make it all happen. Here's the smoothie bowl website I just finished building on Zarla a few minutes ago. It has a full menu at the top, plus drop-down links, a compelling call to action with a button, and tons of amazing images and info down the page. I'll also take you through the simple steps to get your own Zarla account, which costs nothing until you decide to launch your finished website. And I'll demonstrate how to add amazing images to your website and create a simple food menu. The two things you're really gonna need if you wanna launch your website today. All right, let's get started. Head over to zarla.com and type in the name of your food business, and then choose the industry that your business is in. Write a short description about your food business right here. Include anything that makes your business special or sets you apart. Here I'm saying that my smoothie bowls are packed with vibrant flavor, wholesome ingredients, and a touch of creativity. And Zarla will take that information and turn it into a website that fits your business. I'm going to also add my phone number because a lot of people do like to call or text, and then keep editing to show you exactly how you can turn this website into something perfect for your business. As you can see, everything is there that you might need for your business, but it's not perfectly customized for you just yet. So let me just take you through a few steps to customize it. I'm going to say no logo because I just like the look of how clean that is. And then I'm going to colors. Now, your food colors may vary, but for me, I want something bright, something that feels like berries and smoothies. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Next, choose any font that you want. Zarla has a lot of font pairs ready to go, so you can just click through and choose the one that you think looks best for your business. I want something very friendly, very comfortable, so I'm choosing this one. It has wide letters and open bowls. In fact, it feels a little bit like a bowl itself. Now let's change the top hero section to give it more of a punchy, modern feel. Smoothie bowls are very casual, very fun, very flavorful, so I really want to add a lot of color into this top section. I really like the look of that. Let me try out a few more options. As you can see, Zarla doesn't make you spend a lot of time on this. You just click and it changes. Yeah, I'm going to stick with this one. I love the bright pop of color and the fact that my image can be so large right up at the top of the website. And just a few little details here. I'm going to change the headline. One really good tip, if you haven't figured out a headline or a sort of slogan for yourself, is to go to ChatGPT and type in a request. So I'm going to say, I'm building a smoothie bowl website for my business based in Los Angeles, California. Write me a headline in the vein of Ogilvy and is SEO driven. So David Ogilvy is a great copywriter and marketer, and I'm telling ChatGPT, go ahead and write like him a little bit and give me something really compelling. It came up with supercharge your day with LA's best smoothie bowls, fresh, delicious, and bursting with California flavor. I like that it's so local feeling, and it really gets to the sense of like the flavor aspect. So I'm going to paste that right here and save this section. Now coming down a little further, there's all this text, which you might want to keep that text. I think I'm going to really shorten this up here. I want to have it be a little bit shorter and punchier. And so I'm just going to do that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. There's also a button for your menu here or anything else. And I am going to add a PDF that's in my Google Drive. So I'm going over to my Google Drive where my PDF menu is. And I'm just going to click this option over here to share it. I'm using the link. And then I'm pasting that link directly into this field and saving it. So anyone who clicks on the button can now get my PDF menu. Now let's start adding images to make this website your own. Uploading images to Zarla is super easy. You can crop them if you want, or just choose the entire image and click upload. That looks amazing. Yeah, I think that's perfect. Scrolling down further, you can see there's these other sections. Again, I'm just clicking on an image and I'm going to my computer and uploading it. I've got this kind of graphic sort of image that has a bunch of smoothie bowls at once. It's a nice separation on the page. I am going to delete this other image because I don't need it anymore. And I want to move this image up, so I just click this arrow. I like to separate sections of text with images just to keep the viewer's attention on the website. Now I want to change this product section into a menu. So I'm going here to add, and I'm clicking on services, which I'm going to adjust in a second. Obviously I'm a smoothie bowl restaurant, so instead of offering services, I'm offering different kinds of smoothie bowls. This is going to be my menu section. Now Zarla already starts you out with images and headlines and all this stuff. And I'm just going to change each one quickly to show my different menu options. So I've got a berry bliss bowl at $9.99, and I've got a description here that I'm writing in. And then I'll do that quickly for the rest of these as well. My next menu item is tropical sunrise bowl. It's gluten-free. You can put all this information in here, the titles, and then the descriptions for each one. And after finishing, I have one more menu item that I want to add, so I'm just going to click on add. And this is a custom bowl. All right, perfect. Now I do want to change the layout here a little bit. There are a ton of options, but since this is a menu, I want it more structured like a menu would be, kind of a list with thumbnail pictures. So I'm going to come over here and try some of these options. I really like this. This is perfect for a menu, and you can see all the prices and the descriptions very easily. Okay, now clearly these are not smoothie bowls in the pictures. Let's change these images, and I want to show you how I do that. So start by going to ChatGPT and say, create an ideogram prompt that I can use to generate images of my smoothie bowls. My menu is as follows, and I have all the menu items. And ChatGPT is going to create all of these ideogram prompts. Now, if you already have photos of your products, perfect. No worries, you can just use those. But if you don't have photos, or if your photos aren't like website ready, this is a great way to do it. Ideogram is an AI image generator, and it works with this ChatGPT prompt to make sure that you're getting an amazing photo that you want, that you can use for your website. So I'm just going to click generate, and it's going to create all these different varieties of smoothie bowls based around my instructions. Amazing, amazing. So I'm going to do that for the rest of these as well, and just make sure I have plenty of images available. Okay, now back on my website, I click on the actual item and then click on image and upload image, and I find the correct image and upload it. It's that easy. There really isn't any worrying about dimensions, worrying about size. Zarla crops all the images to fit just like it needs to. You just find the image on your computer and upload it. I'm going to go through all of these really quickly and just finish them up. Now down here there is a section that says explore our menu, but it's a little boring. So again, I want to show you how to add simple images to these sections and change the layouts. I just love the fact that you can go in and with a click change an entire layout. No code, no nothing. You don't need to resize things, you're not dragging and dropping, you're just saying, yeah, I want this to change. So here I'm creating this sort of call to action section. This might be something that you, like a tagline or just a marketing claim, and I'm just saying fuel your day with this smoothie bowl. And it's another chance for them to interact with your website and explore your menu. I'm going to add this picture of a customer eating one of my smoothie bowls. I just want to show someone enjoying my product. You might want to do this as well. What's great is that Ideogram created all these images for me, so even the smoothie bowl looks similar to the ones above, and everything is super consistent. Awesome. This looks so good. Now there's a ton more you can do and a ton more you can change, but it's all so easy. I would just encourage you to go sign up for your free Zarla account and try it out for yourself. And I guarantee you, if you follow these instructions in today's video, you're going to end up with an amazing website that you can launch in minutes. Now when you're ready to launch, just go down to the bottom, click on Go Live. There's that 10% discount, Go Live 10, and then click Select Pro for $9 a month. There is no cancellation fee. There's no long-term contract. Zarla is built for you to make life easier. So go check it out today and let me know in the comments if you did. I would love to see your website. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments as well. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials from Zarla Academy.